In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to unprotect the GitLab branch. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to gitlab.com and then log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go on to the project that you want to find the branch that you want to unprotect. Now from here, go on to the project like so, and once from here, it should be doing something like this. Now from here, we'll need to go over to the settings tab over here, and then over here you'll be able to see the repository section over here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on this like so, and here you'll be able to see all the repository settings. Now from here, you'll be able to go down here to protect the branches, click this out like so, and here you'll see all of your active branches down here. Now from here, you'll simply need to go over to where it says Unprotect and click on the Unprotect branch like so. And as you can see over here, now it has disappeared, and that means it has been unprotected. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!